Alright, so the next part is working on your self-portrait within your frame that you drew. So please remember that Tim Burton's facial proportions are like this. You do have access to this under Project 2 on Canvas. So, huge eyes, then the nose and mouth, and then a thin, long neck. So, keep that in mind as you are creating your person. Also, follow these blue lines. They will help you get your things where they need to be. Here are some examples of heads, eyes, noses, mouths. And then we'll do hair at a different point. So this is what we're focused on right now. So, okay, I'm gonna have to work with my phone. Teardrop shape of the head. And remember, because we're working on such a big paper, we want nice and big. I'm starting out with the circle. So this doesn't have to be perfect. It's okay if it's a little off. So I have that. Now I'm gonna okay. So like I said, remember that he has the long thin necks. I'm going to come in. I'm not leaving a lot for my shoulders because, yeah. Alright, now take, if you notice, I'm drawing the same plot out that Tim Burton has on his. So about halfway through is where the eyes go. Okay, then a little bit down from there is your nose, and then about here is the mouth. So I'm going to start with my eyes. I'm going to do some very typical big eyes for my character. Well, for me, because it's not a character. This is looking like an alien and I love it. Okay. So there are my eyes. Next will be my nose. I kind of really like this nose. Next is mouth. Remember, the mouth is very thin. Okay. Then I move on to hair. And yeah, I do have it pulled up on my phone because I'm using it as reference. So, let's see. I think probably that one does best for me. So, I'm going to come in right here. See. Don't forget, Tim Burton's characters usually have ears that fall somewhere around here. Okay. After that, just remember, you're kind of really just having fun with it. Oh, I like the smaller eyeball. And then I wear glasses, so I'm going to come in and I'm going to start adding a little bit more touch to it. Excuse me. There are my glasses. And then what you would do from here is you're going to go in and, like I said, you're going to fill in with little details about yourself. Like me, I just added glasses, but that wouldn't be all I would want to do. So, let's see. If you have like a beauty mark on your face, this might be a good time. Or, if you have eyebrows, it might be a... Remember, Tim Burton's eyebrows tend to be pretty much just line. They're not usually fully fleshed out. So, this is what I'm sitting at right now. I might change some things as I go, but please remember that when we get to the inking part of this, we still want to go back and, like, you see the Tim Burton eye, how it's underneath there. We always want to go back to the source material and kind of draw inspiration from it. So, we'll make sure that we're looking at these things. There's not going to be color in this unless you choose to put a little bit in the frame, because we're going to be going into this with grays, blacks, and whites.